So this video works for many Dodges, for the majority of them actually. What you're actually going to do is turn your key 2 clicks, 1, 2, and push the gas 1, 2, 3. And notice I did it pretty slowly. I didn't just rapidly hit it. You got to hit it 3 times within 5 seconds. And then you can restart it and your engine, or sorry, and your oil light will be reset. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.